Sleep is important, much more important than you can imagine. Good sleep will make you younger. It's the ultimate beauty treatment. It will make you smarter. Your cognitive abilities improve. Your immune system becomes really robust. Great sleep forms the foundation of any sort of success that you can imagine. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 things that can create the most amazing sleep experience for you. If you're new here, I have been teaching meditation through the Art of Living series of programs for the last 3 decades. And I have helped thousands and thousands of people upspiral their life through wellness and holistic success. So, what are those 3 things that you can do to make your sleep experience the best possible? The number 1 thing that you need to do is fix your sleep environment. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, black out your bedroom. There should be no light coming into your bedroom. And I say blackout, I really mean blackout. So pitch dark that if you hold your hands out like that, you cannot see your fingers once the lights are off. The reason for this is that even the tiniest bit of light is going to kind of tell your brain that, hey, something is happening around, and the brain will not allow you to fall into the deeper states of sleep. So even the tiniest light, the little green light of the air conditioner or the little blue light of your mobile phone charging, any light, even minuscule light, will be translated by the brain as some sort of a danger, as some sort of something not all right. And so therefore the brain will not allow you to go into deep states of sleep, and therefore you will not experience deep rest, the rest that you are looking for. You need to invest in those blackout curtains. Any good curtain shop, you can buy those. When you put that material and then put your curtains over that material so it doesn't look ugly, you will find that your sleep quality has improved dramatically just through this one thing, really dark bedroom. The second thing that you can do is my favorite. Take a hot water shower just before bed. When you take a hot water shower, when the hot water hits your skin, the blood is forced to the surface of the skin, and this cools down your core body temperature, which is one of the things that needs to happen for great sleep to happen. The core body temperature has to fall. This is the reason why when it's very hot outside, people find it difficult to sleep, because the body simply doesn't cool down enough to sleep well. So taking a really hot water shower just before bed is just an absolutely brilliant idea. You will find that you go to sleep much faster and you sleep much deeper. The third thing that you could do to really improve the quality of your sleep is eat an early dinner. You need to eat dinner at least 3 hours before you plan to hit the bed. There is a reason for this. You see, digestion is the ultimate priority of the body. Highest priority is digestion in a safe situation. Of course, if you are in some sort of a danger, then digestion goes for a toss, and it is all about survival. But if you are in a safe, secure environment, then the first thing that the body is going to focus on is getting your food digested. When you go to bed, if you have food in your system, the rest and repair part of the schedule of your sleep will be overruled by digestion, and the energy that was reserved by the body for repair and rejuvenation will be used by the body to finish the digestion. And so even if you manage to sleep your full 8 hours, even if you have a pitch dark bedroom, even if you have taken a hot water bath, you still don't get the full effect of sleep simply because you have eaten a late dinner. Aim to finish off your dinner by 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m. latest, so that when you hit the bed at 10:30 or 11, you have an empty stomach. Now, I know a lot of you are going to ask me, but I get hungry by 10. Then what should I do? Don't eat. Drink some water. When I was setting my sleep schedule, this happened to me many times. I would eat an early dinner and then by 9:30 I'm hungry again and I would want one khakra or some ice cream or some milkshake or something like that. And many times I just had it. And it defeated the purpose of an early dinner. And then one day I simply decided, okay, I'm not going to eat, let's see what happens. The first 2-3 nights, maybe the first 5 or 6 nights was uncomfortable because I was hungry when I was in bed and the hunger would keep me awake, not allow me to sleep. But when my body realized that it was not getting food after that 7:30 p.m. deadline, it kind of learnt and stopped giving me hunger. Now I eat my dinner by 7, usually 7:30 latest, and I don't feel any hunger whatsoever, even if I stay up till 11 or 11:30, which sometimes happens. So it's a matter of training. It's a matter of just simply saying, no, I'm not going to eat now. And you will find that your body responds and adapts to that in a few days and you will not feel the hunger. So to recap, the 3 things that you need to do to have a fantastic night's sleep, and by the way, there are many more. They are in our book, Sleep Your Way to Success. If you have not yet got a copy, please pick it up. It's a fabulous read, can change your life. The 3 things that you can do to get the most amazing sleep ever. Number 1, fix the environment. Your bedroom needs to be pitch dark, comfortable, cool. Number 2, the body. Take a hot water bath that forces the blood to the surface of the body, cools down your core body temperature, you sleep much faster and much deeper. And number 3, eat your dinner before 7:30 p.m. and don't eat anything after that. You are allowed to drink water, though I would say don't even drink too much water, otherwise you will need to get up in the night to pee, but that's the subject for another video. See you then. All the best.